If you want to improve your IT development and delivery, IT risk is really important. In this video, we want to dive into the space of auditing, compliance and security and understand how IT risk or operational IT risk will impact these capabilities. Imagine you're a CEO of a banking, insurance or healthcare company. Your corporate image, the revenue and the freedom to operate matter to you. But you might wonder, what is the relationship between my IT risk and my corporate image? Let's take a close look at the connection between these two. Your IT risk is all about handling your software development and delivery on one hand, as well as running your software in production. Your IT risk framework or your operational IT risk framework most likely focus on two elements. The one element are all the controls that do relate towards changing the software. This is the development and the delivery. As well as the other half will focus on how to run the software. XebiaLabs believes that if you improve how you develop and deliver your software towards a much more controlled way, ultimately you will accelerate the way you develop your software. So let's take a close look on how you can deal with the first one. Controls that matter are the 4I principles, our automated testing, our security testing and performance testing. These can be controls of your IT risk framework. The more you standardize them, the more you automate them, the easier it is to push your applications out. XebiaLabs helps you with doing this by pipeline automation. Pipeline automation can build repeatable patterns, and if you can incorporate all the controls into your pipeline, this will help you to accelerate. The second step what XebiaLabs is doing, it's helping you to gather all the evidence. Because ultimately you can have a controlled process, but if it's hard for you to gather the evidence for your auditing reports or for whatever reports, it's still hard to accelerate. What we've delivered in the previous releases is the capability to harvest the evidence in an automated manner. This is what we contribute to what we call the audit report. And this will help you to provide a chain of custody to see exactly what happened at what moment in time. With these two capabilities, the automation and the automated harvesting of the evidence, we do believe that we can increase the way how you handle the controls that focus on the change part. There are three elements for you really important to focus on. And it's not automation as a first step. What is really important is to focus on simplification first. Many of your controls most likely are 10, 15 years old. You have to simplify your IT risk framework first, get rid of a lot of controls and rethink the majority of the controls. Because there are probably better ways to solve them today with all the continuous integration and continuous delivery capabilities. The second step is an important one as well, and that's building a process that is compliant by default. Try to build a robust fast lane process so your IT delivery teams get used to it and want to use it because it brings their applications to production really fast. And that's what you can achieve with the third step. That's the automation. Automation is key of all the controls in your framework and all the steps that need to be executed to push your app from your development environment all the way to production. And by doing so, you can accelerate the way how you develop and deliver software. And this will impact ultimately your whole company identity, your image, as well as the freedom to operate. Happy automating.